Welcome back, DaiwaMe Cars viewers. Looking for a reliable and budget-friendly ride in Coimbatore? Today, we're venturing into the world of used Honda cars in Coimbatore below 1 Lakh, perfect for those seeking value without sacrificing quality. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to find your ideal used Honda car in Coimbatore under 1 Lakh. We'll cover budgeting, scouting the market, vehicle inspection, negotiation, financing options, and maintenance tips. Step 1. Set your budget. Determine how much you're willing to spend for your used Honda car. Don't forget to factor in expenses like insurance, maintenance, and fuel costs. Step 2. Explore your options. Coimbatore offers several avenues for purchasing second-hand Honda cars like local dealers, classified ads, and online platforms like DaiwaMe Cars. Step 3. Inspect the vehicle. Check the car's condition for any signs of wear and tear or rust, and inquire about the used Honda car's history, making sure it hasn't had any significant issues. Step 4. Negotiate the price. Research the market value of your chosen Honda car's make and model, and be prepared to negotiate for the best deal. Step 5. Get a thorough inspection. Have a skilled mechanic inspect the second-hand Honda car before finalizing the deal to ensure you avoid any hidden problems that might lead to costly repairs in the future. Step 6. Finance your purchase. Explore loan options from banks and financial institutions for your used Honda car in Coimbatore, comparing interest rates and terms for the best deal. Step 7. Maintain your vehicle. Keep your used Honda car running smoothly with regular servicing, oil changes, and adhering to the manufacturer's maintenance guidelines. So there you have it. A complete guide to finding the perfect used Honda car in Coimbatore below 1 Lakh. Thanks for tuning into DaiwaMe Cars. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing deals and tips on finding the best pre-owned Honda cars in Coimbatore. Drive safely and save wisely.